Hello friends, welcome to Nifty Intraday levels. So we'll do Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for today. That is Tuesday, 29 September 2020, and we'll be talking about expected target levels according to technical analysis for Wednesday, 30th September 2020. So before proceeding further, I would like to make a disclaimer here that this video is only for educational and learning purpose. This technical analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty is completely based on technicals, all the indicators, the kind of candlestick patterns. The levels mentioned in this video are all spot levels, that is for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Consult your financial advisor before taking any real position in the market. To access my channel, direct access link is provided here, so you can just access my channel directly from this link. So now we'll come to Nifty analysis. We'll do Nifty analysis for today, 29 September 2020. So if you see that Nifty opened at 11,288, it made high of 11,305, low of 11,181, and closed a bit higher at 11,222.40. But it was a kind of expected closing, and if you can refer my yesterday's video as well, the link is here actually. So if you can access the earlier video, you would see that kind of estimated things were there actually, that market would be open bit higher, and then initial couple of hours there might be some kind of here and there, and then definitely market would come down. So that was a kind of expectation which I provided yesterday. So you can just refer that link, and you can just check the kind of support levels for SMA, EMA, and kind of Fibonacci levels I provided yesterday. So if you see that Nifty opened almost 60 points up today, and yes, we were expecting that around 80 points or 90 points it would open up, but it opened at around 60 points up today. And at the closing actually, compared to 28th September's closing, it closed almost 5 points down. At this moment, the technical indicators, that is RSI and CCI, are at neutral level. MACD is negative territory, and ADX shows kind of some positiveness. Then according to Fibonacci retracement and recent lows, recent highs, and all the stuff, so I haven't changed this actually. So yesterday also it was same. So below level support is at 10,894, 11,037, 11,179. So if you see that low, it today made its 11,181, and it's just above this 11,179. Upside resistance is at 11,239 and 11,317. So if you see 11,239 was a kind of resistance at above level, but if you see 11,317, so it was not able to breach this level today, and 11,373 would be at a higher point. So from SME EMA perspective, if I talk about support below levels lying at 11,040, still 11,168, but upside resistance actually, if you see now, it lies at 11,246, 11,278, and 11,334. So it's a far, I can say at this moment, but yes, 11,246 and 11,278 should be act as a kind of immediate resistance for tomorrow's trade. Now we'll talk about change in open interest today. So if you see that at lower levels, 10,400, 10,500, 10,600, 10,700, actually this put unwinding was observed. And if you see that call writing was observed at 11,300 and 11,400 levels. So 11,200 put level was also observed today actually. Put change in open interest. Now we'll talk about net open interest in calls and puts actually. So if you see that 11,500 has maximum open interest in calls, whereas 11,000 level has kind of put maximum open interest. But if you see that here actually 11,200 is also acting as a support, but it breached today actually the 200 level, and I'm bit worried about this thing, because thing is that 11,300 is immediate resistance at this moment. So I don't think it will try to touch 11,300 in tomorrow's session, but not sure about that. It may try to go to 11,310, 12, or maximum 11,317. But I'm pretty sure that it should not hold that position above 11,300, and it should try to take kind of lower levels till 11,100 or 11,050 somewhere. So this would be the kind of tomorrow's trading range as per my technical analysis at this moment. Okay, great. So now we'll move on to next actually. So we'll talk about Nifty intraday levels for next session. So levels to watch out for Wednesday 30th September 2020 as per my technical analysis, and the kind of separated and trading range, it comes out to be 11,140 to 11,295. So I would recommend that above 11,289, if it sustains for kind of 15-20 minutes, and it trades above that level for almost 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, then definitely you can go for buy. But it's kind of uh, bit low actually in the market, so I don't find that kind of upness or upwardness actually in the market. So I'm bit not expecting that it would go above kind of 11,289 or 11,300, 315. So might be only this part you can trade if you want, but yes, it would be kind of challenging trade between these levels actually. So these levels, according to technical analysis, it comes out, but I'm a bit not sure that it would try to reach these levels actually. So we'll just look for kind of sell levels. So below 11,262, if it sustains at, if it trades below, so it may try to touch 11,236, 11,209, 11,183, 11,156, and 11,130. So I'm expecting that my trading range is 11,140, but it may try to go to 11,130 or till 11,070. I'm expecting in today's tomorrow's session actually. Now we'll analyze Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty in today's trade actually, so Bank Nifty opened at 21,770.90. 21,811.50 made high, and low it made 21,280. So if you see that near about 500 points trading was there actually, 525 30 points actually trading range was there, and it closed around 21,411. So we expected the same thing yesterday. So if you see that 105 points up it opened and closed nearly 255 points down compared to 28th September's trading. So still actually if you see that support and the resistance levels according to Fibonacci and recent highs and lows actually, so according to that it tried to remain in that range actually. So if you see that 21,274, it did not breach that level actually, and yes, at resistance level it tried to go beyond that, but it was a kind of just 30 points up it went. So same support levels and resistance levels are there for tomorrow as well. So at below level 20,821, 20,958, 21,274 would be acting as a kind of immediate support for tomorrow's session. But I'm a bit sure that it would try to breach 21,274 in tomorrow's session, and maybe 20,958 as well. But upside resistance 21,784 and 22,078 would be kind of bit far resistance for tomorrow's market. Now we'll talk about SMA and EMA. According to SMA and EMA, immediate support at below levels comes at 21,138 and 21,348. So definitely I don't during at these levels actually market may try to support at this level, but definitely it may try to breach that and it would try to go down. So upside resistance according to SMA and EMA lies at 21,853 and 22,150. Now we talk about kind of technical indicators. So ADX CCI is at neutral territory, RSI and MACD at negative level. So it clearly indicates that in Bank Nifty you can see major downside, not major, but yes, medium to major I can say at this moment. So that would be the kind of expectation from tomorrow's trading session. So if we talk about candlestick patterns for Bank Nifty, so this is a negative or bearish three black crowds on 5-hour chart. It's a strong candlestick pattern emerged actually. It's a strong at this moment, so bearishness can be seen in tomorrow's market. Engulfing bearish is a kind of emerging pattern which has a kind of medium strength at this moment, but this generated on monthly chart. So this is also bearish. It's an engulfing bearish pattern. And then actually if you see that on hourly chart, Harami bullish was a emerging pattern which got generated, and it has a kind of a low kind of support actually I can say. So it mentions that tomorrow might be for few points Bank Nifty may open bit higher, so maybe 11,500 around 11,450 to 21,450 to 21,500 around it should open according to this bullish hourly pattern. But it's weak I can say, that's what. So we are not sure at this moment that it would open bit higher, not sure about that, or maybe it would open flat I can say. Now we'll talk about kind of change in open interest. So if you see that 21,500, 21,600, 21,700 at these levels actually put unwinding was observed actually, and call writing if you see that 21,500, 600, 700, 800, 21,900, 22,000 at these levels actually call writing was observed. So from net open interest perspective, if you see 22,000 is still actually highest open interest in call, and 21,000 is highest open interest in put. But in between 21,500 at kind of net open interest in call actually second level you can see from this thing. But still actually at this moment 21,500 may be actually the level tomorrow opening level, or maybe it will try to touch this 21,500, 520, 540 maximum, and from that perspective I guess it will go down, and it may try to reach kind of 21,000 around. So this would be the I'm expecting this range for tomorrow's trade. So according to technical analysis, we'll see what the range comes out for tomorrow. So for 30th September Wednesday, day range comes out to be 21,146 to 21,749. It's according to my technical analysis and calculations. So I would recommend buy if Bank Nifty trades above 21,498. For first target of 21,535, 21,572, 21,609, 21,645 and 21,682. But I'm a bit skeptical of that thing, or optimistic on that front, that I'm pretty sure that it should not go beyond this 21,600. That is a maximum target I can see. So 535 to 572 is a kind of the thing, but tomorrow I guess according to that candlestick patterns, I hope that if Dow Jones and those markets are closing at flat level, then in that case maybe our market will open bit higher, but hardly I guess 30-40 points up. But that would not sustain, and I guess initial 1 hour to 2 hour I guess it would be a kind of no trading zone. It would give us a kind of both the ways actually, so buy or sell in both the things actually. The speculation would take place in earlier couple of hours session actually, because thing is that kind of it's a range bound session at this moment, and maybe in second half you would see kind of some buying or from lower levels a bit upper level you can see, but definitely expect that market will close in kind of flat or kind of in negative territory. So my sell target or sell signal comes when actually Bank Nifty trades below 21,462 for 15-20 minutes actually, and then you can look for 21,425, 21,389, 21,352, 21,316, and 21,279. So these are the according to my calculations, but I'm pretty sure that it would go below these levels. So 21,146 would be kind of day range. So definitely it will try to reach 21,146 actually in tomorrow's session. That is the expectation by looking at this candlestick patterns and all the technical analysis. So I guess you can just check my earlier video, and based on that you can judge the things actually, but I'm pretty sure that you would like these contents whatever I'm providing here. So thank you guys for watching my video. Happy trading. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.